Okay, babe, I have a bad news for you.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga zoobs! Today is shopping day! Guys, mag-Uber ako at explain ko sa inyo ang kaganapan.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks. Ayun na nga guys. Shopping day today. Kasi mag-isa lang ako. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Okay, babe, I have a bad news for you. Hindi. Alam nyo kasi guys, may kwento. Kaya medyo bad news. Nag-shopping ako for myself and for Aliyah. Kasi medyo may shoot tayo bukas. Gusto ko medyo gusto ko comfortable yung susuotin ko. Though may damit daw sila, pero baka kasi hindi kasya sa akin. I have a lot of experience na ganon. Nagdadala sila ng damit, pero hindi kasya sa akin. So, nagdala lang ako ng dalawang options. Also for Aliyah. Kasi medyo pihikan din yun sa damit. Kaya ako na yung bumili para sa kanya. So, ayan, may shoot kami. May shoot kami ni Andy, ni Aliyah, tsaka ako tomorrow. Kaya nag-shopping ako. Tsaka nagpa-nails ako. Ayan, hindi ko masyado tong na-vlog lahat ng ginawa ko sa mall kasi nga merong music. Tapos nagmamadali din ako dahil konting-konting oras lang. 2 to 3 hours lang. Gusto ko hindi ako yung, alam mo yun, yung pagsusukat ko kanina, hindi ko na nga rin na vlog. So, I'm so sorry. Usually ginagawa ko yun. So, ngayon, inantay ko lang yung sundo ko. Susunduin ako ni Ola. Kasi gusto niya daw kasi may nagluto daw ng dinuguan. So, pipikapin daw namin bago ako umuwi. So, ihahatid niya na rin ako sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya. Sabi ko dito sa area na to. Sobrang init sa labas. Dito naman sa dadaan. Oops, where's my other phone? Ayan, kukuha lang muna ako ng wifi, guys. Then, I'll let you know. I need to message her kung nasaan ako. Baka kasi tinatawagan niya ako. So while waiting guys, ayan o, yan yung nails ko. Tignan nyo, hindi sila nagtatanggal talaga ng mga dead skin masyado. Naglagay lang talaga sila ng cutics. Nagpa-cutics tayo. Nalagay ko ay French tip, pati sa paa ko. Para naman fresh na fresh tayo. Bukas sa pictorial. So si Andy, kung ano lang yung mga damit niyang dadalhin, lagi na magandang damit mo, babe. Kaya ako, I needed to step up. Step up. Alam nyo guys, ang binili ko lang naman, black and white pants. Yun lang. Tapos yung iba kong binili is actually not for the shoot. Bumili ako ng yung mga uso ngayon na cardigans. Ang ganda. I'll show you na lang maybe later. Pag may time pa ako kasi medyo marami akong gagawin today. And it's already 4 o'clock. I'm sure Andy, nasundo niya na si Aliyah. Shucks, so hot. Dapat pala sa likod ako. Sa loob na lang. Tumaan. Akala ko mas maganda dito magpasundo. Dapat hindi mo na pala ako lumabas. Okay, I don't see her yet. Ayan na yata. It's a black car. Ayan na! Ayan na! That's her na! On the way home guys, dumaan pa talaga kami ng OTR para bumili ng ice cream para sa mga bata dahil kailangan may pasalubong. So ito na, malapit na kami sa bahay. Anytime Fitness! Inisip namin guys kasi since yung gym namin yung pinag-gyman namin ngayon ay magkakaroon sila ng 3-month construction renovation. So kung lilipat kami dun sa isang branch, nandun na lahat, masikip na lalo. So, inisip namin, lumipat na lang muna kami for 3 months. Tapos, babalik na lang kami paggawa na. So, nandito kami sa Anytime Fitness to check. Eh, meron din yung katabi dun sa gym namin. This is just 1 kilometer sa bahay natin. 1.2 kilometers from our house. Pero, meron din yan, katabi lang ng gym namin. Ang sabi dito, galing na kami dyan eh. Ang sabi dito, mas malaki. Oo, tapos ayun guys, oh. Yung yellow na yun, na bahay, muntik na kaming bumili doon kasi naalala namin nung nagkaroon kami ng inspection.
I think that was
nakita namin yung
first offer.
Oo, nakita namin yung Anytime Fitness. Tatalon ka na lang kasi nasa likod lang niya. Kumbaga, yun yung view mo sa likod. Pero hindi kami na approve sa binigay naming offer kasi kami daw yung pinakamababa. Tsaka ayaw ng daddy ni Andy doon kasi may malaking puno doon sa tapat ng isang room. Baka daw pag naputol, tumama doon sa pintaan na. Something like that. So ngayon, papunta na kami doon sa Anytime Fitness gym sa katabi ng Revo kung saan kami nag-workout para i-check kung mas malaki siya or mas better ba na doon kami mag-enroll. But anyway, kung saan man kami mag-enroll, it doesn't matter kasi kung mag-enroll kami sa isa, pangkalahatan na yun sa Anytime Fitness. Everywhere here in Adelaide. So, ayun. Tapos may discount pa nga daw kung manggagaling kami sa Revo kasi alam nila na nagre-renovate siya, which is good. Kasi medyo madami-dami yung mga members na yun. So, ayan.
You're probably a lot more weird.
Baka nandun din lahat no, sa Anytime Fitness kasi zoning nga dito guys, kumbaga masana yung mga tao na kung saan mas malapit doon pupunta.
Yun lang, this one we gotta go all the way around like,
pag ito, sabagay ito umikot pa tayo no?
well I mean I can go the back streets but then it's just like left right this is just a bit more straight so I guess maybe Glenelg might be a better
option
to think of it.
Tsaka baka mas malaki din kasi siya, diba?
Sana.
So, ayun. Bago ang lahat, bibili muna kami ng konting protein bar. Kasi nagugutom na kami at saka pang energy.
Did you even eat?
Yeah, I had breakfast kanina. Well, not breakfast. Lunch. Brunch. Ikaw, kumain ka na?
Yeah.
What did you eat today?
Beef steak.
Sabi ng mami mo, natitigasan daw siya dun sa beef. Matigas ba? Sa beef! Grabe. But babe, baka green-minded nitong asawa ko, guys. Kasi yun yung message niya. Sabi niya, Joy, matigas pa yung beef. Sabi niya, feeling ko kasi matigas. Next time daw yung anyway, wag na natin i-topic yung matigas na beef.
It was good.
It was good. Okay.
There was parts that were soft
Okay.
and then a couple pieces.
Maybe it's chewy. No. Kasi di ba yung salpikaw parang chewy?
It depends on the cut of the meat and it depends on the
Baka hindi niya masyadong na-pressure cook
as well. As I said, it's better if you cook it longer.
Yeah. Yun nga,
Slower
na-pressure
and
cook.
longer.
Baka nagmadali mami. Daming for sale na bahay, mga for rent. Ganun. So ito na guys, malapit na kami agad dun sa gym. We'll let you know.
Ayun, just got here to Glenelg. Bit gloomy. Still warm though, no? What's up guys? So I'm just finishing off my Boss coffee.
I actually really love this coffee because it reminds me of Japan. So all over Japan, if you've been there, they have all these vending machines full of coffee and full of other drinks. And what's funny is because actually some of them do come warm. So it depends on you. You can get cold or warm. And I've actually never really seen that type of choice anywhere else in the world, because usually it's like Coke or Fanta or soft drinks. But yeah, they're all over Japan. So it just brings back some little memories for me. But anyway, I had to head home because King and Jar Jar left the house, but they forgot to bring the key. So I had to head all the way back home and give them the key so they could get in. And then I headed back here to the gym. But I left Diana here because she said she wanted to get some extra fitness in. So she's doing cardio. So now I'm just finishing this off so I can get some energy to gym. But yeah, this is the last day for us for the gym. We have a shoot tomorrow, which is really exciting. You'll see in the vlog tomorrow. Or tomorrow? No, in a couple of days, I think. Yeah, tomorrow pala. But yes, so this is the last day of our gym. It's closing and they're going to be renovating like we said. So we're looking for a new gym. So we're considering Anytime Fitness because we actually forgot. There's actually Anytime Fitness like in the same, sort of the same building, same complex. So we're going to try and go to that gym. And we just deferred our membership apparently for 3 months because we do want to come back to this gym. It's a really nice gym. And once it's all like fixed up, I mean, they said $2 million worth. So I would say it's going to be a lot better. I hope so. And they're going to have a Pilates room with the Pilates machines and hopefully new equipment, hopefully stuff that they didn't have before, which would be nice. So yeah, just got to find a new gym. I don't know if we're going to finish that today. I think we'll probably have to do that in 2 days time or maybe tomorrow as well. But I got to get to the gym. So let's do it.